Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. Stock reference number 5467. This shape runs from the 12th month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a Hemi V8 5.7 litre hybrid engine backed by an automatic full drive transmission. Hemi 5.7 litre V8 hybrid petrol engine. We have a set of XD series 20-inch alloy mags, all with good tyres, aftermarket Bilstein struts, pair of. Left front door appears to have no damage, left power door mirroring chrome, left rear door appears to have no damage, electric tight side steps, left rear 20-inch XD series mag, King springs with Airbag Man airbags, aftermarket Conweld alloy tray, factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 20-inch XD series alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand electric side steps, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has a large dent on the front edge, right power door mirror, and a right front XD series 20-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, leather center console, gear shifter switches, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons.